The Webster Horsfall Group, we're one of the oldest manufacturing companies in Birmingham. We've been around for about 300 years. We manufacture wire and wire rope solutions. And then Tyseley Energy Park is kind of a product of this manufacturing. Our mission is to bring forward clean tech innovations and develop this area of Birmingham into a green energy innovation quarter. Our main challenge is budgeting. When this programme came around, we thought it was the best opportunity to go into our net zero roadmap. So the energy assessment was really good. We worked closely with our energy assessor from Aston University on previous projects. It was nice as a sustainability manager to have someone come in and give a kind of fresh set of eyes on some of the things I've been looking at. It's a free piece of consultancy, a very good insight into how your business is operating from a sustainability point of view. It essentially gives you a roadmap to achieve your net zero emissions for free. What we're looking to do with the grant is go for the replacement of our remaining LPG forklift trucks, swapping over to electric models, obviously bring our emissions down by about 7 tonnes a year. That money being saved will be fed back into our net zero roadmap, probably some sort of external cladding or roof insulation or something like that tackles the heating issue. We've got a good relationship with Aston and the energy assessors, and we've actually since then been tied into a lot of projects with Aston that we otherwise wouldn't have, mainly bringing them into the Tyseley Energy Park space and seeing if we can do projects in there. So overall it's been a great process to kind of get involved with the academic side of Aston as well. So there's a lot of kind of unspoken benefits in terms of relationship building. So there is no reason why I wouldn't recommend it to anyone.